Hello everyone, welcome to Math Lesson 124. We are on pages 247 through 248 today, so make sure you have the right page out in front of you. We're talking about adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Now, for adding and subtracting mixed numbers, this is actually very easy. So there are two steps. First, add or subtract the fractions. Then add or subtract the whole numbers. Super simple, you already know how to do both of those things. So let's practice. This is letter A of exercise 1. Put that up here. This is letter A, then we'll do letter B, and we'll end with letter E. And you'll do the other letters on your own. Okay, so for letter A, we start with our fractions. 2 eighths plus 3 eighths. Remember our rule for adding and subtracting fractions? You add or subtract the numerators and the denominator stays the same. So I have 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good. And then I keep my denominator the same, so it's 5 over 8. Now I add my whole numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 and 5 eighths is my answer. Okay, let's move on to letter B. 29 and 7 ninths minus 16 and 2 ninths. Start with our fractions. 7 minus 2 is 5. Very good. Over, keep my denominator the same, so 5 ninths. Now I subtract my fraction, or excuse me, my whole number. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 13 and 5 ninths. Now let's skip over to letter E. You need to do C and D on your own. 9,583 and 6 sevenths minus 8,709 and 3 sevenths. So I'm going to start with my fractions. 6 sevenths minus 3 sevenths. 6 minus 3 is 3. Very good. And then my 7 stays the same. Now I go to my whole number. Sorry, this doesn't quite look like a 3. My marker's dying. Let me switch my markers for the whole number so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. I have 3 minus 9. Can I do it? No, I can't do that because 9 is bigger than 3. I have to borrow from the 8. So that leaves me with 7. Bring my 1 over here. 13 minus 9 is 4. Very good. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 7 is? Uh-oh, again we can't do it because 7 is bigger than 5. So I have to borrow from my 9. Leaves me with 8. Bring over the 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, but I don't need to write that 0 there, so I stop there with 874 and 3 sevenths. Okay, exercise 2 on page 247 says divide and check. Don't forget to check. Exercise 3 says solve the equations. Remember, parentheses mean do me first. So for letter A, do 17 plus 3 first, then divide by 5. For letter B, solve 4 minus 2, then multiply by 6. For letter C, solve 10 divided by 2, then multiply by 11. Exercise 4, find the fractional parts. So divide by the denominator. All right, flip over your page. Let's look at the story problems. Letter A of exercise 5 says, Lily and Bailey each made 96 pieces of fudge to give away. They divided the fudge evenly and put it into 6 boxes. How many pieces of fudge were in each box? Okay, so they made 96 pieces of fudge each to give away. First, we have to find out how much fudge they made. If Lily made 96 pieces and Bailey made 96 pieces, how many pieces did they all make together? Well, that would be the 96 pieces times 2 to find the total fudge. Okay? But now it says they divided it evenly into 6 boxes. So we're going to take our answer of how much fudge they made, and we're going to divide our answer by 6. So I know how many pieces are in each box. So my answer will be how many pieces of fudge are in each box. Okay, letter B. In the school cafeteria, there are 80 green plates and 3 times as many yellow plates. How many plates are there in all? Okay, so this means in the cafeteria, I have green plates, and I have yellow plates. I add those together to find the total number of plates. So do I know how many green plates I have? Well, my problem says there are 80 green plates. Do I know how many yellow plates I have? Well, my problem says there are 3 times as many yellow plates as green plates. So 80 times 3 will tell me how many yellow plates. So I take that number, put it in there, add it together to get my total number of plates. Okay, exercise 6 says reduce to lowest terms. I'm going to give you a little hint to help you out. For letter A, divide both numbers by 6. For letter B, divide both numbers by 2. For letter C, divide both numbers by 5. And for letter D, divide both numbers by 10. Number 7, write the answers. And exercise 8, draw a rectangle around each whole number, a triangle around each fraction, and a trapezoid around each mixed number. So a whole number, remember, has no fraction. A fraction is a number with the number arriba and abajo, but no whole number. A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction next to it. Okay, so let me give you a quick example, just so you don't feel too confused. So this is a whole number. Just a number, no fraction. This is a fraction. Okay, number on top, number on bottom, no whole number. This is a mixed number. A whole number and a fraction. So you are supposed to draw a triangle around the fractions, a rectangle around the whole numbers, and a trapezoid around the mixed numbers. And then look at your brain booster. In the brown box it says, this sign means not equal. So if you see the equal sign with a line through it, it means it's not equal. So fill in the blanks with either equal or not equal. So first you have to solve the one side. 11 times 11 minus 1 plus 5. Check that with the other number, 136. If you have 136 on both sides, use the equal sign. But if you solve for the one side and it's not 136, use the not equal sign. Okay, now do the same thing with the other one. 6 times 9 plus 5 minus 10. If your answer is 49, use the equal sign. If your answer is not 49, use the not equal sign. All right, that's it for today. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.